Hello everyone and welcome to Mi Cocina, porque mi cocina es tu cocina. Today we're going to be making Southwest egg rolls. Now I have never made them. I have enjoyed them forever in many restaurants, Chili's, TGI Fridays, and others, Mesa Grill in Las Vegas. Fantastic, but I have to say, I've never made them. Putting them in egg rolls, I'm a little concerned. It's the first time, it's super delicate pastry dough, so I'm really concerned if I'm gonna be able to make it properly. But I can tell you the recipe is fabulous and I know it's gonna taste good. Let's see about presentation. All right, well, follow me and I'll show you how. Gotta get 1 whole white onion and 3 cloves of garlic, 2 stalks of celery. And although I love thighs and not the breast necessarily, breasts are so much better when we're talking about, pulling it apart afterwards. So I'm gonna put 2 breasts, bone and skin, into the boiling water. Once it starts boiling, go ahead and turn it down just a little bit, cover it up, and leave it that way for 15 minutes. I almost forgot 2 large pinches of salt. All right, once it's been boiling for 15 minutes, go ahead and turn the fire off and let it rest for another 15. That is gonna make sure that your meat is cooked, but still juicy. Okay, once we have waited an additional 15 minutes, we're gonna bring our meat out and put it off to the side to cool off just a little bit. No one wants to pull a chicken that's steaming hot. Whew, too hot. And besides that, it traps the juices in the meat. Very cool tip there. Look at this beautiful black beans, yellow corn, and meat that we just made. It is delicious. 2 teaspoons of cumin and 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and mix it up. Oh my goodness. You can only smell what I'm smelling. And let's not forget our spinach. Now don't worry about this. The spinach will cook down. Looks like a lot, but you'll see. It's gonna come down. Put some lime, a squeeze of lime. Man, that's a big lime. Let's get some pinch of salt. And a squirt of ranch dressing. Put this baby on. Let's get this stirring. Gonna grab a good little bunch here of our filling. And then we're going to add some cheese. It's probably the most perfect one I've made so far. Your oil should be at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you add your egg rolls. Don't overcrowd the pan. I'm just gonna put 2. So Southwest egg rolls, those are amazing. Now, I have to say, super easy to make. And now it's time for the bite. Here we go. You know what I like the most? The crispy exterior, and then that punch of flavor on the inside. If you make your chicken, if you poach your chicken breast like I showed you, you will knock this out of the park. I hope you try this at home. And you know what? I hope you try this sauce. I like it so much, I just want to eat it out of a spoon. That'll be good tomorrow on some bagels, or maybe even some biscuits that I'll make. Maybe so. Anyway, thanks so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to show you what I have next week. So, mi cocina es tu cocina, and until next week, I'll see you later. Bye.